how is it being synced? I'm so confused by that too. Wait, what the? Text cannot sync. Did you figure it out? It's just, oh, it's just the change event. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Same happens when you join a world and the player joined adventure. Oh, it triggers for everyone? Oh. You set the synced variable. Wait, set syncs variable? I disabled the syncs for the public one. But it triggers for everyone to join, trigger for each world, and then the player in the world triggers once for joining. Oh, okay. I get it. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, because I didn't sync this. I disabled the sync for the public data. So that's the part that confused me. But if it's because of this right here, then it would make sense. You can use that to get the population count. Oh, I'm stupid. Sorry, I wasn't... Whoops, my bad. But yeah, I disabled the sync for the public data. So that's the part that confused me, because you said you spawn, set syncs variable. So is it because of this? So it is because of this though, because I don't have deserialization on. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, I do have another question for the synchronization methods. So the value is different from the default. Oh, okay. Which is more optimized to use, the manuals or the continuous sync? You might want to make the default an invalid value. The default to be on the safe side. I'm a bit confused by what you mean by that. Like this right here? With the default value? So I'm a bit confused. Else you might not update the UI. You get the default value assigned. How would I go about doing that then? So if I'm understanding, set it to -1. Oh. So like this? Okay, let's go ahead and test this one more time then. I didn't know you could do that. The more you know. Oh, you guys are so awesome. I'm actually like making connections. My neurons are connecting. Oh my goodness. My knowledge is increasing. I love this. I love this. I love this. Aaron. Are you there? Hello? Moshi. Aaron? Okay, I'm about to drop water soon. Okay, let's see. Okay, local value. Okay. Civil Unity. Portal drop. Not going just yet. I told us. Okay, walk in. Tell me if you see the number 7. You see number 7? Okay, walk into it. Number 5? It works. It works. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is so cool. I love this. Wait, so this should work even as it interacts. I just want to make sure I'm understanding this very correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and networking, get local player, build and publish. I see this Gundam. I'm updating the world right now. Let's see. Upload. So we finally got the printing out part so far. But this is actually going to be super huge down the line. It's actually the greatest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Hi everyone. Okay, portal drop, Aaron. Don't walk in yet. Don't walk in. Not yet. Okay, walk in and tell me if you see the number 8. See the number 8? You don't see a number 8. There's no number at all. Oh gosh. Oh, because it was running on a public event. Okay, so welcome back. This doesn't. I set it to a trigger. This doesn't work. Okay, click on it. Did you click on it? 7? Now there's no sync at all. Oh, that's so weird. So now, because it's not... Oh, wow. Yeah, so this doesn't work if it's set to an interacts. Which I can understand, but... Oh, wow. So this doesn't work at all anymore. Yeah, it doesn't work. What changed? Oh, that's so weird. Yeah. Just make it work. I wish it was that easy. So how did this break? That is so weird. Because this goes publicly. I wonder if this would work. Let's go extend this a little bit. Because this runs locally now. And so this doesn't run as well. What? That is so weird. What if I did this? I am setting the owners though. Right here. Maybe because it's not running on a public level? Okay, let's try this. Ah, whatever, I'll stick it like this. Well. Okay, there we go. It wasn't letting me choose it. So what if I did it like this? Would it work now? Okay, build and publish. Maybe the deserialization was needed. Okay. Close this. Portal. Oh, should I be showing that on stream? That's our Halloween, right? It's not? It looks nice then. Wait, let me hide my screen real quick. I just want to look at your panties. Nice. Wait, what the hell is that? Oh, never mind. Nice. I looked at her panties. Okay, portal. Don't walk in just yet. Huh? Oh. You mean bikini armor. Let's be real. So it's not Halloween, it's just a cosplay. Okay, go in. So the number you should see is number 9. Number 9. Do you see a number 9? No? Click it. 4? Oh, wow, it doesn't work anymore. What the fuck? Oh, wow. So this doesn't work at all anymore. Oh, that's so weird. Huh. Yeah, I have this still disabled. So I guess we have to have it. Okay, so wow. So what's the purpose of this? Would it work if it was like this? That's who popped the scuff doctor. I know, sometimes stuff there is not explained too well. So what would the purpose of having this be? I mean, well, there is a purpose. I wouldn't know how to utilize it with what I'm trying to do. Okay. Let's try this. They got blind me. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry. There you go. Give me 1 second while I finish uploading this. Okay, this is what I did. I haven't connected this deserialization yet. I want to see how you would be able to utilize this. And basically, so yeah, I enabled the sync for the public data, but that's about it for now. Alright, I'll go ahead and try it. Portal, portal, portal. Bad news? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That we try. Of course. This is used to sterilize? Okay. Okay, you can walk into the portal now. Okay, so we just gotta stick to the deserialize method.
The darkest valley, the highest mountain we walk in the name of our brave. The rushing river, the blooming flower descended from
It's maybe somewhere else on the dock. How did it set? How did it synchronize it? Does it show number 2? Wait, it does? Click on it. 3. Does it show 3? Yeah? Oh, okay, right. So, basically, oh, so because the sync variable automatically syncs for you because the change event detects that something changed. Oh, okay. And good morning, author. Alright. Okay. So I have a question. Does this act like, if I remember the correct terms, buffered and unbuffered? So if I remember, buffered basically means like all the previous changes happen as well. How does this non-sync local variable get changed on a separate? That's the part I'm curious about too, actually. I'm learning new I wish they had a better documentation, honestly. Okay, so what's the difference between... It's local, so they don't know about it. Oh. So what's the difference between these two methods? I'm curious. Oh, thank you, Aaron. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here. I keep forgetting Switch. So what's the difference between deserialization and public int change? Would this only fire if it does detect change? But compared to this one just automatically synchronizes to whatever is the value. It's called when it receives the scene. Oh. Which would mean... So it's less optimized because it's on a continuous sync. So if I switch this to manual, then it would not work? I'm learning a lot. Oh my gosh. It would likely work? When to send an update. Okay. Okay. Oh, requests. They're like, oh, it would be okay. So it'd be this one. Requests. This one, right? Okay, Aaron. I'm almost done with you. Would I do it before the set or after the set? Oh, after you set it. Okay. I'm learning. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay. This is so cool. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm learning a lot of new optimization stuff too. Oh, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so like, I am smiling really hard right now. I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh. So if I understand correct, basically requesting a serialization is saying, hey, go ahead and update, right? In the most like simple way to put it. You're learning stuff too? Oh, if you are, then like, oh my gosh. Oh shit, it's this song. Okay. Portal. But first, let me go ahead and walk and set it. Project Udon. Invite. Drop portal. Yeah, I've been neglecting to learn more about network stuff, so I'm super happy right now. Okay, you may join, Aaron. Glad to be useful. Learning all this stuff felt kind of pointless because I lack in other areas. For me, this is where I lacked. This is super important, but I just couldn't learn it. It was so difficult for me. So if anything, like... Hi, Coffee Naka. Does it say the number 4 for you? Does it say number 4? It shows the number 4? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. So this sings? Okay, you press it. 2? So your number is 2. That is so cool. And because it's a scene's value. Okay, wait. Here. Okay, back to this. So because it is a scene, since we set it to sync, then as you said, it deserializes, correct? And that's why it's changing for late joiners. Learning. And because, okay, so to further it, because this is detecting change, that's why it's setting the public data to whatever it's supposed to be for the late joiner, correct? Or am I mistaken? Or did I misunderstand? Okay, I just want to confirm. So, because this public data was changed, is that why this then fires off? Because it detected that change? And if that data didn't change, does that mean this wouldn't fire? Okay. And lastly, what if they rejoin the world? Does that mean this wouldn't fire? It's harness is sending sync data. If not, oh, okay, that's so cool. This song goes super hard. Oh my gosh, we always listen to it. Okay, but with deserialization, it will always fire. Correct? Hi, Neuromancer. I'm learning networking stuff right now. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is so cool. This is so I'm like nerding out so much. This is so cool. Hi, Poppy. This is so cool. I love this. Oh, on deserialize is very similar. If there's a sync, it triggers. Okay. So it just really depends on how you use it, and then I suppose. So if I connect these two, then it should still work. The difference is one is only networking, other is for all changes in the code. Oh, okay. So the deserialization is purely for the network, but the change is for like all changes in the code. So which would be more optimized, a deserialization or a public change? Doesn't matter? Okay. It's basically like a different way or method. Change is more convenient? Okay. For a small one off like this, it barely matters. Okay. 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 Oh, thank you guys. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. I just learned a lot about networking, and I'm starting to grasp it and understand how it is. It's a good thing I played around with SDK2 a lot back then, because now I'm starting to see the connection. But basically, the best way to explain it is like how when I went from PMX editor for model making to Blender, I didn't know how to do what, simply and primarily because I didn't understand Blender and how they did stuff compared to PMX editor. And when I had Aaron explain it all to me, it all connected, and I was like, oh, okay. So oh my gosh. But with this one, I'm not only learning, but I'm learning new stuff. I actually never really understood like serialization, deserialization. So okay, these. So on okay, okay, just making sure. On deserialization. Okay, okay. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. He can easily make recurring that really chugs like using fixed update with multiple UI update. Oh gosh, fixed updates. Oh, I try to stay away from that. Like, oh, loud. It is. This is so cool. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you know how to manage them, yeah. But basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to turn Bricktown into like an RPG map. And one of the biggest things we hit was network issues. So we removed all the udon parts, but also we also encountered a rare bug that we somehow managed to basically recreate 100% every single time. For some reason, udon was lagging IK. It was making full body people like suffer heavily the most. Is this for the food and water? It's not just gonna be for the food and water. So to explain, when people click on this button, what it's doing is getting data from a local storage or a local data into a public data. And we want that public data to print on this panel, for example. But yeah, and this is going to go really big because it will play into the economy and everything down the line. It's one of the biggest hurdles I've been trying to get over. And basically, Forged Forgery and Hitori just helped me figure out how to do it. Like, taught me how to do all of this because I didn't really know much about networking, and because I learned a lot about like serialization, deserialization using synchronized method, as well as like the sync method itself, I can even further than more than like push more optimization to the stuff that's currently on Bricktown, and I can optimize everything at a greater thing, like at a higher capacity now. So just like how we optimized the map and made it so that like 90 people can be on the map and still not have that much lag on the network side of things, that's basically that. And I'm very, very grateful to the both of them for like teaching me this, because I was struggling with network stuff really, really harshly. We used to say like it was one of the biggest difficult things I was dealing with. And like literally because of them, I like everything connected, and I'm learning new stuff on top of that. So I'm super excited and happy about it. DRC RP will be next level. Yeah, like I already have something for them to control their voice level and data. So like they can now like whisper, talk normally, and yell if they want. I just have to make a temporary UI that follows them until we get udon hooks, but like, oh my goodness. I'd be happy if I could make and program a snowman to loop a 360. Oh, let me tell you, when udon first came out, because I was so used to Trigger and didn't really know much about coding, trying to figure out how to make a fucking cube spin took me forever. And then learning how to make a toggle took me even longer. I didn't understand variables and whatnot to a degree. Yeah, like, I take no credit for this. Both of them super, like, helped me figure out how to do the network stuff and taught me a lot more. So, like, I take no credit in learning it. Like, learning on my own. That shit was hard as fuck to understand. And thank you for the follow. So thank you again, both of you, Forged and Hitori. Here's some pseudocode for more regulated update, loop, update, if same time of that. Oh, I understand. Yeah, I've messed a little bit with timing stuff, so I actually understand that to an extent. Because I have to put like delays on stuff at times. Holy shit, though. Actually, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. That's useful. I think honestly though, Forge, the networking stuff is huge. So I wouldn't say it was useless to learn because that thing is what drives everything else, in my opinion. It's always been interesting to me how symbols and stuff, numbers and stuff, do stuff on my computer. It's almost helpful if I can figure out. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work to Bricktown. And you guys actually even helped me understand what the synchronization stuff is. Or does. Like, I was struggling a little bit to understand. Oh, wait, actually. I have a question about manual. Does manual work like buffered as well? In SDK2, it would fire. So if I understand correctly, and if I remember, so when someone joins and it's set to manual, like say this cube was enabled, then it's disabled, then it was enabled. Would that mean that it would fire enabled, disabled, then enabled again for those that are joining? Or would it just go straight to being whatever it was or whatever it is now? Because I was reading it and the difference between continuous and manual. So it just fires. It has nothing to... Okay. You've never done SDK2? I would say it does not save the series of changes. Okay, because in SDK2 they had like broadcasting methods as well. One was called buffered. If I remember, if that was the one, there's 4 of them. But you can test it easily. True. So basically what it did was... Hi Zidimon, thank you for gifting that to Forge. So basically with buffered, what happened was, as I said, it would basically it would spam it would fire all the previous events as well that happened. Instead of like going from letter A to letter Z, it would go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, 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 blah. So that's what I just want to make sure that it's not considered like buffered or whatever. And I do have a question about the non-synchronization as well. But what's the ETA on VR today? Should dog know it by heart. Ooh, okay. Because it says here replication is disabled. So does that mean... I know it's bugged right now as well. But would this mean that this wouldn't update either? I want to try it real quick. Aaron. He's essentially... Okay, we're gonna test a different sync method real quick. So get ready for a portal. Hi Vincent. We're having brain. Today is a big brain stream. Like holy shit. I'm like learning so much. Oh my gosh. And like I know it's just network stuff, but to me the network stuff is so important. Especially since I'm like doing stuff for like the lobby, you know? So like I really want it to be like really working. And thank you for the follow. Portal. Okay, don't go in yet, just yet. Let me go ahead and press it real quick. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, go ahead and join. Tell me if you see the number 2. Well, you know how sync toggle states, right? Yes, I do. Though learning this new sync way, or synchronizing way, is way better. Does it show number 2? Wait, so this works? It shows the number 2. What? Because we have to serialize and the sync. Okay, press it. Whoa! Is it back to 2? Okay, press it again. Leave the world and rejoin. I'll invite you again. Okay, let's go find Aaron. Aaron. Whoa. Can't invite yet. Aaron. Invite. So tell me if you see the 5 there still. Why don't I rejoin? True. Oh right, I could do that. I'm stupid. Yeah, that I really. Yes, brain guy. Does it show the 5 still? It does? Okay, I'm gonna click on it. So now the number is 6. I'm gonna rejoin. I almost just... Huh? Wait. So you clicked on it and it went to 7, right? Okay. Do you see it too? Okay, now click on it. Okay, I'm gonna rejoin. Where'd my mouse go? Where's my UI? What the fuck? That's so weird. Okay. That's what you told Unix? I didn't know how to apply it into practice though, brain guy. That was the issue. Wait, how the fuck do I rejoin my world? Can you invite me? Oh, because it's a... How the fuck do I join my own world? Oh, because it's... Because it's not public. Oh. No, this isn't a public world. That's the issue. Wait, they have to be on green? Oh, Aaron. Switch. They are on green. Oh, here. I see it. I'm stupid. I was looking at my own world. Look, I don't do this often, okay? I barely get on. I barely have any friends. Shh. So it's number 7, right? It's... Okay, okay. Now is it number 6? Oh, this is so cool! This is so cool! This is so cool! Oh my gosh! This is so cool! Oh. I'll also try to go worlds and check the current. I think because it's oh, true. Look, I don't often have... Most of the time I'm in VR chat, but I'm in desktop because I'm mapping. That's how much suffering I do. I don't spend time with friends because I'm too busy mapping. But yeah, brain guy. So what we did is we stored everything onto this cube, and then we printed it onto this. Oh my gosh, this was literally the key I've been waiting for. Oh my gosh. Oh, you want me to watch this? There, you can change it now if you want. Oh, but yes, try rejoining again. Okay, I see what you mean. I'll be right back, Brain. Or, Aaron. I almost called you Brain Guy because I just read Brain Guy's message. Wait, so it's 6. Click on it real quick. Yeah. Okay, so back to 7. Oh my goodness. Thank you again, Citymon. Thank you for getting that. So hard. Look how erect and stiff they are. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, fuck! I went to the wrong one. Hi, sorry. I'm basically getting horny and wet learning a bunch of new Udon stuff. I went to the wrong instance. Same thing. Okay. Oh, look. Oh. Hi, everyone. I hope you had a good stream, sorry. Thank you for... Okay. So yeah, it's still on 7. This is so cool. This is so cool. Do you like the Rob flashlight as well? Hi everyone. I hope you all had a good stream with Sorry. So it showed us the value you had despite leaving? Yes. It was the number 7. I left with the number being on 7. And so I should have a new value as well, which is now 2. Oh, this is so cool. So, Brain Guy, I also learned a lot about the networking stuff for Udon. Forged and Hitori really helps me a lot understanding all the network stuff. So I can... Ooh, hopefully I can... yeah, network is suffering, but they helped me. I like... Oh my gosh. I like... I'm so happy. I'm actually legitimately so happy right now. I haven't learned this much in so long. This is this is amazing. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love this. I'm having so much fun. Oh my gosh. I can't express that enough. I'm having so much fun learning all this Udon stuff. Uh, oh, what does the cube act as? Okay, so the cube not only acts as our trigger, but it also acts as our memory storage for like the time being. Anything else you want to learn? Okay, if you really want to go there. There's one thing I wanted to figure out is how people so some worlds have it. I think the best way to explain it was, okay, so for example, if Aaron joined, a UI would spawn and follow on top of them. But when they left, it would destroy. I know that part. But how would you get that UI or that like nameplate to spawn for people that are already in the world? If that makes sense. Like, how would you do it? How would you do it network-wise? Would you... Because this would involve instantaneating. Oh, wait, but it's bugs right now, right? Yeah, so, like, So, we'll make a really simple, like, example for it at the time being. Or a simple, like, thing. Where we have a cube that spawns in. Sounds like a load grabbing a list. Oh, that's true. That's another thing I'm not very familiar with, is arrays. I'm pretty sure that's arrays. Is there something wrong with your avatar shoes? What do you mean? I would just use an object pool, but here's the issue is... How would you set it up? I think I have an idea, actually. Yeah, so like say I want people to be able to spawn in with like... Okay, we'll do simple, like super simple. Do I know how arrays work? Kind of, not exactly. It's something I've been wanting to learn too, but I looked at like the VRChat example, it did not really help. Here, let me go open this back up. Close this for the time being. Okay. I'm removing yourself from the same list. How would I go about that though? That's the thing. So let's start with the basics. I'm learning. Oh, this is so cool. This is even more trickier. I know, that's the hard part. Object pool. Oh no, wait. Yeah. Playlist can be fetched, but from a network convention. Okay, let's see. What data is available to us? How would I start this off though? Like when a person leaves, how do I make it despawn the cube or how to get rid of the cube? and vice versa. Object pool.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
Yes, like HP bars.
Can't bear the things I've had to face.
Exactly. HP bars is what I want to do. That's what I want to learn too. Oh my gosh, you guys are getting it. Whoa, I love this. I love this. Those are the two biggest hill I'm facing right now. The two struggles. You guys helped me with the first struggle, which was getting everything saved from a local to a public. I would like to learn arrays, to be honest. TBH. Because remember, I want to make a bullet hell. I would love to learn how to make a bullet hell, or bullet hell where you can use the hierarchy as a list. If I understand correctly, how do I... Wait, what's this? Option data list? I don't know what that is. I think to do that, object pool. Something like this? Oh no, that's not how you do it. Object pool. So if I understand, these brackets are representations of an array, right? Manipulation. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm learning so much. I love this. Okay, I'm like sitting up in my chair right now. A player management first? Oh, how would I do that? Well, first let's get the simple part of assigning keeps to players that are existing, and then when players leave. Oh, wait. Would I do it like this? Player left, event player left, player joined. By the way, any other computer science in the stream? Oh, computer. Okay. I actually know nothing about computer science, CBH. No, you're good. For each part. This is how you would manage it. Oh, wait. Okay, so would I have to make it run through? Yeah, kind of not sure what's the best. Best way to do it. The arrays are organized by first one being 0. Having length function that gives you a number of addresses. Okay, so can I... How would I... No, it's not right. You would need a pool of empty cubes, and then a manager would take control of one of them when someone joins. Exactly, that's what I was thinking. You're on your phone, will need to transfer the PC to get into any view. Okay. So how do I go through this list? set cube aside? Wait, what? How would I do that though? This is okay. This is where I really am lacking. You're gonna head out. Thank you for streaming. Feel like my IQ's Thank you for dropping by. Create a node? Okay. Like, how do you specifically go through a list? Conditional? There's no conditional. The only thing I can think of is going to object pool, but oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun right now. You guys are making today's stream especially fun. Like, oh my gosh. You gotta get immunity yourself. Okay. I'm having so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Oh, right here, right? And this would give you the list of objects in the pool. What we can do as well is check if they're active or not, or if they're assigned. So if they're not assigned, then what I can do is, if they are... No? Oh gosh, this is so complex. I love it though. PD game object. No posting screenshots. I want to learn this. Like, I want to learn it like without being given the answer. I want to go step by step. So like, walk me through it like one at a time so I can understand. I love learning this kind of stuff. I learn better when I go through like step by step. So if I understand this correctly, this right here is basically saying I'm now getting the list of objects inside the pool, correct? Create node special. Special. Okay. Whoa, this is new stuff. I see. I don't know anything about this. Four. Oh, now see, this is the complex part. I'm just like, what? Oh, C coding uses? Okay, so this I understand to an extent. Start 0, and basically the end is saying like for each loop. I wouldn't know. Loop? No? But if I'm understanding this correctly, so say I have 10 cubes in this pool. Because I have this set between 0 and if I set this for like 7 instead, cubes 8, 9, and 10 wouldn't be selected because the end is at 7. And the steps represent how much you are skipping a step, so it'll go 0, 1, 2. But if I had it set to 2, it'd be 0, 2, and then 4, correct? B6 slightly out. There's a try. Oh, right, that's true. There is. Object will try to spawn. Oh, so can I just do like this? And then, okay. I think I understand. So if the object is able to spawn, Manual fetching objects. Okay, so okay. And if you are able to spawn the object, then networking take shit. Okay, networking ownership set owner, and the object is going to be this, and your player is going to be. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Push this down a little bit so it's a little bit more visual or visible. So like this, right? This would be the start. Looks nice. And then when a player leaves, yo, you're learning more programming? Yes, I am learning new stuff so I can apply it to Bricktown. I learned how to do local data to public data. And ooh, when using for loop, it's the same as an array length. Oh, okay. Helpful. Return. How would we find... Yeah, so how would we find the return object? Like the object they were assigned. Or maybe we do need to... He's loosened? Okay, Aaron. Oh, okay, okay. We do need a loop. See, that's the thing. I don't know how to... How would you say, hey, this person left, destroy their cube, or return their cube? Return the slab. Return the slabs. You have to check every single cube. Because we don't have maps, dictionaries. They have a documentation, but it's not very up to date, at least to say. It's not the best. So some stuff is like foreign technology until we can understand it. So how would I check every cube? On play? Okay, wait. Actually. Oh, then I don't know. With the players. Oh, I did something like this a while back, actually. I think I know what you're saying. So, get display name. I think I know what you're talking about. And then, how do I do this again? String, replace. String. We are going to change. We'll do display name. And watch you learn. Okay. Set the object's udon behavior variable. What do you mean by that? Oh, if we add an udon variable to this, then we can basically we can grab the udon variable and change the name to it, right? Until it matches. If I'm understanding correct. So here, udon behavior, then we just set this to none. You're thinking slight backwards. Oh, you did use ownership to identify. True, but how would I run a list to check through all of them? I think I would like to go the best method would be ownership. How would I check for ownership? When a player leaves, owner changes. When a player leaves, owner changes. Okay. When a player leaves, ownership changes. I know there's something like. No? Player leaves. Your mom. Thank you, Onion. A player leaves when it changes. Thank you for the follow. When a player leaves, owner changes. Had an issue like this too. Because I would also like to do this for like pickup items eventually too. I guess you would need a bowl, maybe. But how? This is where I get really confused. It's the player left is very inconsistent. True. How would I do this? It gets complicated. I love it. Okay, how about... No? No. This is... Wait. Hi, Full Scope. Yeah, we need to know who left when. When owner gets set on join, set for true. So are we applying an udon behavior on the cubes as well? Because if that's the case, then how do we get an... Okay, first things first, how do I run a list? Like, if object has so and so, then... What I can do is... I have an idea. I have an... No. Thinking. What if we did something like this? But would it be practical or would it be too overcomplicated? Basically, what I'm thinking is, what if we game object find? So this is just gonna be a simple way. So what if we find their name on the game objects? And once we find it, then we can return it like this. Would that work? And we could also apply it like, you know. So not like this, but you get the point. We're basically changing the object name. If it'll work for VRC pool? Okay. I wouldn't be able to test it right now fully. Oh, you are? Okay. Let's try it. Let's try this first. I really want to... No, but I don't want to have to change the object's name, which is the thing. I want to do it by ownership. Like, partly based on ownership. So I think he just kind of explained an app dictionary out, if I understand enough. Maybe on. Not even I know. You might think owner changes. I mean, I guess what I can do in this specific... Okay, I have an idea. Yes, exactly, Forge. I have another idea. So we probably don't need any of this. I have another solution, a temporary solution. Okay. I have an idea. Because he did give me an idea, Hitori. So, MD2 Forge. Let's try this. Oh, no.
If life is a movie, it's always so boring. Where is the story? I hope it gets better with time. Yeah, I hope it gets better with time.
Oh, wait. Okay, so first... Let's see if I remember how to do this. Okay. Target object pool. Go ahead and set this. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, give me 1 second while I want to try to put this into the graph before I forget. I need that. I need this. No, that doesn't work. To do this then. Game object. Hi, thank you for following. I hope you enjoy your stay. Nope. Is owner. That's all I was actually going to do, Lermer, but I don't want to. We're not going to be deleting stuff because we're going to be taking and re-adding to a pool. But I have an idea, so let me go ahead and try this first real quick. Get position. Connect this if true. Then. Oh no, I want to construct. Oops, nope, not that. How do I do this? Fuck, I did the same thing. How do I do this again? I want to get the X, Y, and... How did I do this? How did I do this? Let me go into my other project real quick. Thank you for the follow. I hope you enjoy your stay. Where is it? Player tracking. Where did I have the player tracking? I think it was... Here it is. How do I want to set it above the player. Yeah, it's vector 3, get position, but I want it to be above players by... How do I set it above players? Vector 3... Was it this? No. Oh, it is vector 3 y-axis, and is this? Vector 3 y-axis. I forgot how to do this. Vector 3 with the y-axis. Vector 3 y-axis. Where do we go from here? I know there's a way to construct like a... I don't remember how to do this. Set... Y plus height. Yeah, how do I do that? What was the node for it? Would I add to it? Oh, okay. I think set vector 3 and set. Here it is. Okay. So like this, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so or no, I need to get the I think he is Oh, and the X and C, correct. I'm learning new Udon stuff with networking. Networking and object pulling. And get C. Get C. Get. How do I get the vector? Oh, transform. What the fuck? No, this isn't right? How do I get the vector 3? What? Did I go from transform to vector 3? Set position. Set vector. Shit. Sorry. Set position. Oh, okay, that works. I'm stupid. Wait, so then how do we... Would I have to construct it again? Give me a second. Okay. Constructor. Here it is. Shit. No, it's not this. Vector 3. I know there was a way to do this. I don't remember. Is it this? So this would be X, Y, and Z, if I understand correctly. And then from here I can set this position. Right? So this would be my X, Y, and Z. Is this correct? Okay. I was like, I know there's a constructor. Okay, so I don't need this part right here. Should be like that. So when ownership transfers, then I'm surprised. I told you, like, I learned a lot about making bullet hells. When it came to the vector stuff, it's one of the things I learned a little bit about because I have movement in my bullet hell map that I'm making. Think of a zero lane, but in VR chat, and it's a lot more dangerous. Okay, so now try return object. This game object is this. Uh-oh. Okay, that works. So when they leave, it'll return it to this game, to this pool. Or yeah, to it'll be a bit unoptimized. Yeah. So let's see if it even spawns first. On update. It's how it goes. Yeah. Spawn, blah 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 blah. Oh. Oh, this one's not going to be touching players, or other players won't be touching it. It works! But I can't tell if it... It has to be to master. What do you mean by that? I'm learning. What does that mean? What does that mean? Like back to the World Master? Oh, this would be for objects. Okay, I think I see what you mean. I think? It's just on ownership transfer would be called even if you assigned it to... It assigned... Really? You don't think I'd like hearing inside Foxa? Like to the World Master? Is that what I'm understanding? Like this? Oh. Oh, thank you guys for helping me learn this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so cool. This is absolutely so cool. Oh my, I love this. I love this. What is this? It looked like it assigned though, because I got the key just fine. Even without the master check, it works. We can try it right now. What would... What would it mean if the master left then? Would that cube stay or disappear? Wait. Wait. Huh? This is strange. Wait, this... So... Wait, okay, so... If a player left and they aren't the master, that means it's gonna be false, and this doesn't return, which is the issue.
Stood by your side through all of the lives, watching you cry for me. Get on your knees, apologize,
Or...
please. No, why don't you die for me?
I'm so confused. This is for... Oh, okay. This works? It works. I'm trying to wrap my head how this works. Oh, I see, because it's returning to the owner, and that's okay. Because if the person who was owner of this, it'll always go back to the world master. It'll always go back to the world master. Okay, that's the part I wasn't getting. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. This is probably one of the most elegant pool managing systems. Really? I've never done something like this before. Holy shit.
I'm still wondering if you care. I was taken so for granted.
Okay. You still awake, Aaron? Oh, you are. This is Aaron's view this whole time. Remaining to optimize it. Yes. Okay, you ready to go? Aaron? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is so fun. I'm learning. Okay, I have a cube on me. Oh, I hope this works. Yes. We're not testing the player data stuff. We're testing object point. Oh, this is so cool. And you know what? Oh, it doesn't follow. We have one issue. It spawned, but they don't have. They're not taking it for some reason. Why is that? Wait, that doesn't make sense. What? Why? How come it didn't take them? Oh, you know why? Because it doesn't have the udon stuff on it. Oops. My bad. Give me a second. We're gonna have to retest this. Oopsies. No, I have to fix this real quick. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me fix this real quick. I forgot to... Oops. That's why we have to make the graph first and then duplicate the game object. In this case, I can just copy and paste the graph itself because I have it referencing itself in the graph with game object this. Oh my gosh, this is this is so cool. I can optimize so much stuff with it, like learning all this new stuff. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, Aaron. You ready? Portal, portal, portal. Okay, the heat is on me. Still? Why? Do you see the cube on top of you? It's on you? You see it up above your head. Wait. Why is that? Okay, so Erin's saying that she sees the cube on her head. So why is this on mobile then? Did I not? What? Whatever the game object was, player is... Open udon. I know, this is so exciting. It's not synchronized. Oh, would I have to slap an object sync then? Is that what's going on here? Boom. I just disable this. Oh, this is so cool. I want to stay up longer, but I have to learn object pulling at least. This is actually huge because I can do so much now. After each, yeah, that's why I set it to so that only the owner moves it. I want to make sure only the owner moves it. So if they aren't the owner, that's why I set up that branch. Oh wait, you guys can't even see what I was doing. My bad. Here. Okay. If it's not synced, it has no owner, essentially. Exactly. So this is what I did. So I made it set the owner, right? And in order for it to move to that person, I set up that's why I set up this branch so that it makes sure it does what it needs to do, and it makes sure that the player is the owner, and if they aren't, then it's not going to send the position and the data, blah 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 blah. Okay. Pop up a portal. Okay. So I have one on top of me. You may join, Aaron. Oh, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. I just have to fix the little AI. Aaron? Aaron? Aaron. Uh-oh. I think Aaron fell asleep. Aaron! Portal. You didn't make it? Oh my goodness. Here, I sent you an. I'll never get over this flashlight. Oh, it works! So far, it works so far. Okay, do you see the cube on top of me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, next step. Aaron leave and then rejoin. So I'll send you an invite. It left! It left! Okay, okay. We're making progress. Progress. I have to wait a few seconds. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. The basics of the HP bar. No, I know how to set up the rest for the HP bar stuff. I know how to set up the rest because I've done it here on this, and you guys teaching me how to do the It works. Okay, I'm gonna rejoin it now, Aaron. Okay, so come over here. So tell me if this cube on top of me leaves. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to let's go home. It's gone? Okay, now we have to check if when I join, it'll come back. Your game is that. Where you can have X people join at? Oh no. We have an issue. Do you see a cube on top of me, Aaron? No? Why is that? That's a new issue. So on rejoining it, this. Is my old cube here? I do not believe. My cube is there? Where? Oh, my cube. My cube is there, but locally for Aaron. Might be an issue in the logic? That's what I was thinking. Back to the drawing board. So where does the issue come from now? Why doesn't it? It should be so easy. On player joins set. Is it because the ownership? Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. No. Is there a logging udon? I'd have to make it myself. Sorry, Aaron. Thank you for helping me. I think after we fix this, I think I'll call it an end for now because I've been streaming for a while. and I wouldn't be able to test the rest of the stuff with that. Okay, where does the issue come from? It's well, the ownership is definitely firing because we saw it disappear. The the weird part is when we rejoin. Why didn't it spawn? It should have. Because it spawned for Aaron, but not for me. But the thing is, I didn't take ownership. Because Aaron walked to it and it was at spawn. Make a special case for master? Like how so? How would I make a special case? One player joined. We're halfway there. The question is where? But when you rejoin, what would it tell it to come back? Its current owner is still... True! Current owner is still there. How would we... But that's the thing. We already... Did it make more than 2 cubes? It specifically made 2 cubes from my understanding. Because it spawned a new cube that Aaron was able to see. But the thing is... That explains it? I'm not understanding. Could you clarify? Me neither. So, to replay what happened. Yeah, the other cubes have scripts on them as well. I disabled the ownership on collision. But why didn't it work? So when I rejoined, that's so weird. Why is that? Try to spawn and use the game object owner. Where did I go wrong? It's stored in an array. Maybe... See, if Aaron had... Yeah, here it is. So this is the pool itself, if I'm understanding what you guys are saying. This is the pool itself. Want to try your idea with the name? Let's keep trying with the ownership first, because I will be using the ownership stuff later on down the line, but I need to get down to basics first. I know the idea you're talking about. We're finding a with the bull. Okay, Let's try ownership stuff first. I think we're like super close to figuring it out. It's just, where are we going wrong? This. What if... You know how I open logs? Maybe it crashed. Like the VR chat logs? The output log? What if... What if it has something to do with this part? No. What if that was the case then? Certain script goes boom? Oh, where it works once. I think I know what you're talking about. I've had stuff where it worked once and then it just never worked again until I loaded the world. It was like a one-time deal. I have an idea. Maybe there's a way we can mitigate it. No. Not really? How would we get the World Master? A sync school for ownership. Oh, something like this? Like this, correct? Oh, okay. Is taken. Okay. So when it's assigned... Okay, I think I know where you're going with this. So on enable. Oops. Oh, right, wrong way. I think it was this way? Yes. Just use it when ownership changes. So I don't need that on enable.
Too cold, standing in the middle of the downpour, looking in the mirror cause it's only you that you have to lose. Head backward on a one-way, trying to stop from running but you can't wait. Bury all the
Thank you for the follow.
only learn when you crash and burn.
I think... Sorry, issue was... in the first scripts? Okay. Right here. After changing owner, set owner change the wall. Okay, I think I understand. So we're gonna get component. Udon behavior get program variable type. Damn it, wrong one. Udon behavior type. And then we are going to use that to... Or I don't even think I need that part. Udon behavior set. Or yeah, I do. No? How did I do this? Let's see. Set? No. Thank you for the follow. I've been just there. Name object, component. How did I do this? Set program variable. Well, we need to target that Udon's specific behavior, right? Because this is the object pool itself. How did I do this? Let me check the fire extinguisher I have on first time. Fire extinguisher register local. The component, then is set to instance. It's instance. It's not letting me set the variable though. That's the weird part. Why is that? What I can do is this. What? I've done this already, but how did I do this? Let's see. Let me copy and paste this. Here we go. I don't know how this is different, but send custom event. So then I can go and set this to ownership. Then I go into the cube itself and custom events, ownership, and then we are going to set this to true. And then when ownership is taken, we have to We need one more actually. Set program variable. Is taken and set this to false. Oh, the debugging stuff? Yeah, okay, that's what you were talking about. On transfer, if taken is true. Yep, this is how you're thinking about going about it, right? Like this. Oh, it's a branch. Okay, so like this, right? Yes, but remember to have owner reset it to false. Yep, that's what I do. That's what it's doing here. The bool is being set to false right here in this part. Okay, let's go ahead and test this. Aaron, are you awake? Did I get the other skip sorted? Yes. It'll send the ownership message through this. Aaron? Hello? Aaron? Aaron? Okay, you're awake. I'm about to travel portal. Ding dong, Aaron. Okay, world is almost done uploading. Oh, this is so okay, portal. Fuck, really? Of all places. Code is for, oh no. Oh no. Okay, so I have the key, but I have the key. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It really broke it. Okay, let's go back to square one with the ownership stuff. Oh, oops. We just need to figure out what's going on with the ownership, why this happened. Try it inside Unity. How would I do it with two people? Like this? Spawn remote player? See if it crashes there already? Oh, okay. I see. Don't worry about this. I don't have a door here right now. Assigning player ID by one. Well, so it works fine. Can I respond remote player? That's supposed to be the player? What the fuck is this? Aika. Is there a way to control it? Let's see. No. No. I guess not. I have the master branch splitter? Yes. Yeah, So it works here. The bowl is synced. Oh! You know, yeah, I do have it. Okay. It is taken synced. Try to spawn can't be caught on something like dumb like that. That might be the case. Okay, let's try going back to just doing it with ownership. Because I definitely think we're onto something with that. So I'll remove this for the time being. I can check the bot later if I want to test this again. Question is, what happened? Oh, yeah. On ownership transfer. I don't know how to use the remote player, to be honest. I don't know what it exactly does either. It's less optimal, but easier to make it work. I want it to be more optimal, which is the thing, and I'm gonna be stubborn about it. Okay, so this player aid did not work for some reason. So what happened here? What if I tried this? I know it might seem stupid, but in which case you have to check logs. True. I can check it after this, after stream. What if I did this? Is owner. Oh no, I mean get owner. No, if I wait a minute. This might be it. No, but the other issue is it did not spawn. There might be two issues. Maybe it did spawn, but the thing is, you know? I'll keep it like this for now. That might be true. It might have spawned, but for some reason, it wasn't taking us. I've had this happen before where I've had something respawn, but it wasn't on where I wanted it to be. I might have to do a null check. Oh, true. Okay, how do I do that? That's another thing I've neglected. So where do I set up to? I know... If it's a cool compare. Where would I attach it though? Do I attach it into... If object is null. So would I do it here? That was the player. Okay. What am I doing? So this is correct. So try to spawn might be returning null if you are not master. How do we change that? This is how you set up the null for this part. Do the same thing I'm doing right now. That's correct. Here, I'll expand it for you. It looks like you're onto something, but you're inputting null into a comparison area, correct? There'll always be falls. Oh. Okay. Okay. I was a little bit... Okay. Where do you set the... Do I use the branch or... Is this double branch? Oh! I know what you're talking about. Let me go find it. Where is it? I saw this. Let me open up this real quick. Save scene. I don't know this word attempting. Tiva race scene. Was it here? Object scene. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? I saw it last time. Was it there? Or was it here? The fuck is it? I can't find it. I saw it here before. I know what you're talking about. Ah, I don't remember where it's at. I remember seeing what you were talking about. Here, we'll go back to this first. Okay. Okay, how do we get? Ooh, I love this song. I know what you're talking about. I've seen this shit before. Fuck. I don't remember. I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Is it compare? Right? Compare to and or XOR? This is what you're looking for? Just normal compare? Okay. I know what you're talking about. I've seen that shit. Oh, I can't remember. If I understand the statement. Maybe drag out for the compared to you. Boolean and there's objects. Maybe drag out from the game object. Let's try this. Constant this, game objects. I know what you're talking about. Wait, that should work? It needs to be a boolean. Oh, Where did I see this before? Maybe, okay. Maybe JetDog has something. I've seen this before. I think it was from JetDog. Oh, what was it? I know, I'm pretty sure he had it here. Where did I see it? Where are you? Where are you? It was one of these objects. I'm pretty sure it was one of these. This is where I learned a lot of the stuff back then. Oh. JetDog is a blessing. Ah, gosh, I know someone had it. The master's supposed to transfer though, that's the thing. Master transfers. Instant switch? No. Instance user list? No. Join though. Check? No. Jump pad. Oh, madness. Agent. Teleport stick. Fly stick? No. Ah, I forgot. Parents toggle. Let's teleport. It's equality! Yes! That's the one. Oh my gosh. Here. I think Boolean equality. This is the one you were looking for. I remember seeing this. I was like, fuck, I was messing with this a while back. Okay. So how do I set this up? Because I asked the question about this a while back. Player API, how do we do that? We're checking for the player exists, or what would that? Okay, so let's do this first then. Oh, ouch! I hit my arm. Okay. How do I do this? This is not something I often do either. I forgot. Get active self. No, this isn't it. Okay, wait. Let's start at the game object. Game objects and try to spawn. How do we get the boolean for that? Is it active or active? This? Or no? No. Oh, okay. Okay. And the other is no. Okay. Branch. Okay, hi Kaiser. Okay, what do we do for this equality part? So game object and null. No need for equality right now. Okay, so just like this. And think what happens. So basically it spawned an object that didn't exist and assigned us as the owner, correct? But to Aaron, something did spawn, but we didn't take ownership of that object. set owner breaks. Oh. Okay. So what if it doesn't spawn? So Pulse needs to lead to. So, okay, so if both are false, so if false, so why would false? Okay, let me try and understand this. So if the game object doesn't exist, or if the game object doesn't exist, then that means it's setting it to true. Because it doesn't exist, that means it's true, and we don't want that. But if it does exist, or if it's not null, then it's false, and then we want to take ownership because it's something that does exist. Oh, the memory point pointer things like this. Oh. We don't have to do anything else? Just this stuff? Or will it keep trying to spawn an object? So we just okay. I like that. That's how I tested my bullet hells too. Okay. I like that. We keep testing until we break our sanity. I love that. I love that. It'll work this time for sure, Koki. We're on the right track at least, so we have that going for us. Okay, Ding Dong, Aaron, are you ready? Aaron? Okay. Too close to spawn? What are the fucking odds, man? Every single time. Aaron, the massive Aaron? Oh, last upload. Okay. I have a keep on top of my head. This is kind of scary. Okay. Go ahead and leave and I'll re-invite you. Invite disaster. Okay, go ahead and move around there. Okay, now I'm gonna rejoin. I'll be right back. So ownership gets This is the part where it breaks for us. Change scene? What do you mean? I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Ah. So it worked so far. That's what happened. I'm testing now on rejoining. Ah, it didn't work. Why? Wait, what is going on? What if Aaron leaves? Aaron, leave one. Go ahead and leave, Aaron? Okay. So now there's no cube again. And then I'll invite Aaron. Changing one of the object shapes? Oh, that's true. Now it just stops working. That's so weird. Now it doesn't work at all. It's like... Huh. Yeah, that's so weird. Okay, Aaron, if you want to go to sleep, go ahead. Thank you for testing. That's your forehead. That's your inside. Non-sexually. Looking at the logs? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Good night, Aaron. Okay. I need to leave the game real quick. Okay? Go sleep. Good night. I want to look at the logs real quick, so... That is so weird. If this is like some kind of different rare bug again, I'm just gonna be like, oh, how many bugs do I have to reach? Or do I have to hit? First I hit the IK weird like IK issue, and then like what the fuck? How do I get there? I think it was users, and then his name, app data, local low, VR chat, output. What is today's date? Today is the 21st. Annoyingpath.com? What's that mean? Is that where I'm gonna check the error? The reference script on this behavior game object avatar is missing. What? The reference script on this behavior game object. Oh wait, that's something else. This is when I... Okay. On player left, cleaning up health. I'll play left Aaron, remove player Aaron, and we're just staring Aaron. And that is skipping update, skipping update, skipping update. Curtain. Player properties. Okay, this is when I joined the world. Or set up the new world. I don't know. The only thing it's showing with like some kind of error primarily is this reference script on this behavior game object avatar prefab is missing. Like, what the fuck? Like, what? There's one error. No. This is... What the fuck? Beyond that, everything seems normal. Is there any null reference? It's not showing any. That is weird. Yeah, I got the right log. I have another idea. Okay. So it has something to do with the World Master, right? We can assume that it's something to do with the World Master. I have an idea. I don't know if it's relevant or helpful to the situation, but oh, the code. Okay. So where did we go wrong in this tiny... If null, log it. You want me to debug? Okay. Hi, thank you, SM. We're trying to solve a great mystery. But if we can solve this, we can... Like that. This is so weird. What makes it more weird is it only happens when the World Master leaves, of all things. That's the weird part. Like, why does it do that? It's simple. Look how the master check is used. So this part? I'm a bit confused. Teach me, teach me. I wish to know. This game launch. Oh, so if the master leaves, so what if the master leaves? That means. Good night, Aaron. Thank you for the help again. I see where you're going. This is what's breaking it, isn't it? It's this part right here. Because what if the master themselves leaves? I didn't think about that. Not that I'd ever think about it. At least not in a few years, but... But that's what you're saying, right? It's because this is what's fucking it up. This check. To is owner? Of the game object itself? This, yes. Okay. Okay, so what do I do with this part? I am confused at this part. I'm starting to see the connection, but I'm not entirely sure. Am I replacing the master branch or instead of, oh, okay. Hi, Tatsu. I don't know if I said it hi to you yet. Who's the player parameter for? It's whoever... Oh! No. But I don't think this would work because if the master event triggers because I can test it with this. Let's see. Build 2. There's gonna be 2 Aikas. I just can't test rejoin, which is the only issue. I don't know if this will work. I have to do tap this way. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so tiny. Why is it so tiny? What happened? Send us. No. Transform, edit, transform. Is that done? Then this tiny stretch screen. Okay, so I got the cube. The other me has the cylinder. I can't tell if it's a spirit. That's one issue. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, there. It's super slow though. Oh, because I moved it to manual soon. It's not continuous. So it's gonna be super slow. Okay, so the question is, how do I retest? Fuck. Oh, I won't be able to test this. Let me see if anyone's online. Someone that I can actually get help with. Test it. No. I don't know. So we definitely know it has something to do with the transfer though. But yeah, I can't join. Unless... What if I did this? So I think the cube was the first one, right? Yeah. Am I forgetting something? Probably. Show me the ways. What did I forget? Tell me. Oh, right. Okay, Hitori, if you want to help, let's do this shit. Let me close this. We need to test this for the sake of Udon. Okay, so we'll log back in. I'll close this. Let me open this. Oh, we're so close to figuring it out. We're so close yet so far. Okay. Let's see. Game. Okay. Let's see. World. Oh, I have to publish this first. Oh, I'm so tired, but we are so close to figuring this out. Oh my gosh. We're almost there. Oh, we're, I, you don't see me on? It might be slow too.